Today is going to be an important day in TTV Dinakaran's questioning, with the Delhi police now deciding on his fate on whether he would be taken into custody for further grilling. Now, if the police are dissatisfied with TTV Dinakaran's answers, they are likely to take him into custody for further questioning. So far, the police have reportedly asked 15 people in connection with this case, and according to the police, middleman Sukesh Chandrasekhar has already accepted that money was indeed delivered to him in the state of Tamil Nadu. The additional seizure. Meanwhile, the late Chief Minister Jayalalitha's lawyer B. Kumar has also been summoned yesterday by the Delhi Crime Branch because, according to the police, he was the person who allegedly introduced Sukesh Chandrasekhar to TTV Dinakaran. Police have also sent Dinakaran and Sukesh's cell phone to the forensics for further evidence. Okay, let's go straight across now to India Today's Ilma, who's tracking the questioning very closely. Ilma, so now we're hearing that the late Chief Minister Jayalalitha's lawyer has also been questioned. Why has that done? And give us a little bit more updates on TTV Dinakaran's round of questioning.
Well, Avantika, Advocate B. Kumar was a very close aide of Jayalalitha. Following her demise, he became very close to TTV Dinakaran. In fact, he was also questioned yesterday. He was at the Delhi Police Crime Branch till late last night, and he was also called in for questioning today. He came in at about 11 today. The reason that they're calling him is because it is now reports are coming out that B. Kumar is the reason that TTV Dinakaran and Sukesh Chandrasekhar got in touch in the first place. He is apparently the link between the two. What we're hearing now is that the TTV Dinakaran's PA will also be called for questioning at about 2. Sukesh Chandrasekhar will also be coming at about 2 p.m. Following it at about 4 or 5, TTV Dinakaran will be coming himself. Now, TTV Dinakaran is being pushed into a corner, Avantika. It's day 4 of investigation. Investigations have been going on for hours at a stretch, and we assume that will happen today as well. There was a big breakthrough for the Delhi Police Crime Branch yesterday, when TTV Dinakaran did admit that he in fact had met Sukesh Chandrasekhar, but he said he met him because he thought he was a High Court judge. So clearly now a lot of new revelations are coming out. The Delhi Police Crime Branch has raided Sukesh Chandrasekhar's home in Kochi, even questioned his girlfriend, trying to find out how the money trail went about, who the Hawala operators were, and who was exactly involved. They've also sought help from the Election Commission now to be able to find out what exactly happened in the meetings when TTV Dinakaran had come to fight for the two lead symbols.
All right, Ilma, thanks so much for joining us. We'll keep coming back to you for further information.